Google Gemini 3.7 Flash just supercharged AI agents. Today I'm going to show you a brand new AI that can think, plan, and get real work done all by itself. This is not small news, this is huge. Google just dropped an AI that can build websites, read your email, and even fix your calendar for you. It's fast, it's smart, and it might change the way you run your business forever. Stick around because this one is wild. Google just released a new AI model called Gemini 3.7 Flash. Google says it's their smartest model yet for coding and for something called agents. An agent is just an AI that doesn't only answer your questions. It plans steps, picks tools, checks its own work, and finishes the job for you. That is a big deal. Here's why this matters if you run a content business or a community. Growing a community is not just writing posts anymore. It's building pages, managing content, following up with members, and doing research across many steps. Old AI could only answer one question at a time. This new model was built to do many steps in a row without falling apart, and that is exactly the kind of engine a growing community needs behind it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian, Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's break down what actually changed. The first big upgrade is better multi-step thinking. Google says this new model puts more effort into planning its steps and following your instructions all the way through. Here's what that actually looks like for a business like the AI Profit Boardroom. Before, you'd give an AI one instruction, get one piece of content back, and have to babysit every step after that. Now, you could give it a real goal, like turn this week's YouTube video into a newsletter, a community post, and 3 short clips for social. The old way meant a team member manually repurposing one video into 5 different formats. The new way means the AI plans the whole chain of steps itself and hands back finished pieces. That's the difference between one person producing content all day and one person reviewing content that already got made. The second big upgrade is stronger coding. Google calls it their smartest model yet for coding. That means better code on the first try, easier fixing, and fewer do-overs. Some early users online say it feels stronger than the last model, especially inside Google's coding tool. I want to be fair here. Those are just early reactions from users, not official test scores, but it's still worth watching. Why does that matter if you're not a coder? Because coding is the engine behind every page, every form, and every automation running behind the scenes of a growing community. Picture the AI Profit Boardroom needing a new sign-up page, a quiz that sorts new members by skill level, or an automation that tags members based on what they click in an email. Before, that meant waiting on a developer or spending hours in a page builder. Now, a stronger coding model can build that logic itself, first try, with fewer bugs. That's the gap between an idea on a Monday and a live system by Tuesday. Now here's where it gets exciting. The third upgrade is better website and design building. Google says the model got much better at building websites from a picture or a design idea. That means you could hand it a screenshot or a rough sketch and it can build the real working page for you. Here's a tactical example. Imagine the AI Profit Boardroom wants a new landing page built specifically for people coming from a YouTube video like this one. You could prompt it like this. Build a landing page for people who just watched a video about AI agents, show them exactly what they'll learn inside the community, and make the next step obvious. Before this update, that page takes a designer, a copywriter, and a developer working across days. After this update, one person with a clear prompt can generate a working first draft in minutes, then spend their time polishing instead of building from scratch. That's hours moved off page building and back onto the strategy that actually grows a community. And if you want to see exactly how tools like this can be turned into real systems that save your team time, grow your audience, and make your content work harder for you, that's exactly what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's a community built for people who want to turn AI updates like this one into working systems, not just interesting news. If that sounds like you, come check it out. Link is in the description below. Okay, let's keep going because the next part might be the best part of the whole announcement. Google did not just release a smarter model. They also launched something called Gemini Spark. Spark is a helper AI that works all day and all night, and it now runs on Gemini 3.7 Flash. It's available for people who pay for certain Google plans in the places where Spark is offered right now. Here's what makes Spark different. It can work across your email, your calendar, and your documents, all connected together. So instead of asking it one small question, you could give it a real goal, like organizing everything you still need to do across your inbox and your calendar, and it goes and does the work for you. Let's connect this to a real community scenario. Picture the AI Profit Boardroom getting a steady stream of messages every single day. Questions about the community, people asking when the next session is, members flagging a bug in a tool, and a few messages from people who are clearly ready to join but haven't asked yet. Before an AI like this, someone on the team has to read every single one and sort it by hand. That's slow, and the important messages get buried under the small ones. With an agent like Spark, it can scan the inbox, group the questions by type, flag the ones that look like a member ready to join, and draft the first reply, all before a human even opens their laptop. There was a hands-on test done by Tom's Guide where Spark looked through emails and files, found deadlines and tasks, and organized them into one master list. It even wrote draft replies and reminders while staying inside the limits it was given. But it wasn't perfect. That same test found it skipped some files and it did not always sort emails perfectly. So it is powerful, but it is not magic. It still needs a human checking its work, especially anything going out to a community member. That is actually a lesson worth remembering with every AI tool, not just this one. These tools are getting really good, but they are not perfect yet. If you use AI to manage member questions or content, always double check the important stuff before it goes out. Treat it like a very fast teammate, not a replacement for your own eyes. Here is another thing worth thinking about. Google says the model follows your design instructions much more closely now. Picture testing two versions of a community sign-up page at the same time. One built around a video like this one built around a different angle entirely. You could get the AI to build both fast, put them in front of real traffic, and see which one actually gets more people to join. Before, testing two full-page designs took real time and budget. Now it's closer to testing two ideas in an afternoon. I'll show you a real side-by-side test of that in a future video, so keep an eye out for that one. Let's talk about who can actually use this right now. For people who build software, Gemini 3.7 Flash is rolling out through several of Google's developer tools. For businesses, it's available through Google's enterprise tools. And for regular users, it's available through Gemini Spark and certain Google subscription plans. Here's something worth noticing about the timing. The last version of this model only came out about 3 weeks before this one. That model already had a huge memory, could use tools, search the web, and use a computer on its own. So Google is not slowing down. They are shipping fast, and each new release is built more and more for AI that can actually take action inside a real workflow, not just chat with you. Before you go, let's bring this back to what actually matters. AI tools like Gemini 3.7 Flash can help you build pages faster, sort your inbox, and repurpose your content automatically. But having powerful tools and having a real system that turns attention into an active, growing community are two completely different things. Learning how to connect the two is what actually moves a business forward. And if you want to see exactly how tools like this can be turned into real systems that save your team time, grow your audience, and make your content work harder for you, that's exactly what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's a community built for people who want to turn AI updates like this one into working systems, not just interesting news. If that sounds like you, come check it out. Link is in the description below. And if you want the full process, the step-by-step guides, and over 100 real AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description below. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are already putting AI to work inside their own businesses. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about Gemini 3.7 Flash and Gemini Spark. Julian reads every single comment, so tell him what part of this surprised you the most. See you in the next one.